Hello and welcome back to the Mindful channel. Today in this video we are going to discuss about what is buy to resupply and how to manage buy to resupply in Odoo. So just consider an example when the customer places an order and have to deliver the product from the first warehouse, but the first warehouse do not contains the product and supplier has multiple warehouses and the product is not available in the first warehouse, then supplier will check if the product is available in warehouse 2. If product is available in the warehouse 2, then supplier will pull the stock from warehouse 2 to warehouse 1 and will continue the delivery. If it's not available in warehouse 2, then supplier will pull from the warehouse 3. And in some cases, products may not be available in warehouse 3. Then in such cases, the supplier first need to resupply this stock in warehouse 3, which means that the supplier has to buy or purchase the product and fulfill the need in warehouse 3. Once the product is stocked in the warehouse 3, the product will be moved from warehouse 3 to warehouse 2 location and then warehouse 2 to warehouse 1 location, and from the first warehouse, supplier will deliver to the product to the customer. So, how to configure this buy to resupply in Odoo? So let's just check it. First, just go to the inventory application, configuration and warehouses. First, we'll create 3 new warehouses. Okay, so create on new. Okay, we'll give the name warehouse 1. It is mandatory to give short name, which is warehouse 1. Save it. New, which is warehouse 2. Save it. And the third one, warehouse 3. Let's just save this. Now, here you can see on the view form that 3 warehouses are created. Just simply go to the warehouse 1 and here you can see under the warehouse configuration resupply, buy to resupply, which have to be enabled. Now, if product is not available in warehouse 1, so we'll resupply the product from the warehouse 2. Now we'll go into the routes. Here you can see warehouse 1 supply product from the warehouse 2. Now here you can see the product categories, product, warehouses, sale order line. You just need to enable it. Now here you can see some rules, which is if product is not available in warehouse 1, the source location is pulled from warehouse 2 to destination location, which is physical location. So just go into that. Here you can see the action is pulled from when the products are needed in physical location. Delivery orders are created from warehouse 2 stock from to fulfill the need. Now here in the supply method, you can select take it from the stock. If it's not available, trigger another rule and save it. Now just go to the another rule, which is when products are needed in warehouse 1, receipts are created from physical location to fulfill the need. A need is created in the physical location and the rule will be triggered to fulfill it. Here into the supply method, we'll choose take it from the stock. If it's unavailable, trigger another rule. Save it. And we'll just save the configuration and we'll go to the second warehouse. Here, buy to resupply is enabled. Now, if stock may not available in warehouse 2, so we'll resupply the stock from the warehouse 3. And we'll go into the routes. And if it's not available in warehouse 2, the source location, which is warehouse 3, it will pull from the warehouse 3 to warehouse 2 stock. When the products are needed in physical location, delivery orders are created from warehouse 3 stock. If it's not available, trigger another route. We'll do the same. When products are needed in warehouse 2 stock, receipts are created from the physical location to fulfill the need, and the need is created in physical location and rule will be triggered to fulfill it. Save it. Now we'll go into the warehouse 3. So product will not available. If product is not available in warehouse 3, so supplier need to buy this product into the warehouse 3, and then they will go into the warehouse 2, and then from warehouse 1, and then it will go to the customer through the warehouse 1. Now we'll go into the routes. Here you can select by route, which is buy only warehouse 3 stock. Save it. Now we'll create a product. Which is storable. We'll select our vendor under the purchase tab, which is paste vendor, create it. Now here into the inventory tab, you can see some routes, which is warehouse 1 and warehouse 2. Now we'll need one more routes, which is MTO. So just save this configuration. Go to the inventory configuration and settings. To activate the routes, you just need to enable multi-step routes from the settings. Now here you can see routes under the warehouse management. Now here you cannot see MTO because it's currently archived. We just need to unarchive it. We just go to the filters and click on archive. Here you can see replenish on order MTO. We just need to unarchive it. Go to the action and unarchive it. Now we'll again go into the product, and here now you can see replenishment on order. We just need to enable and save it. Now we'll create one new sale order. We need to define our customer, which is customer 1. We'll create a new customer. Now we'll add a product and its price. Now go into the other info and we'll select our warehouse as the warehouse 1. Okay, and save it. Now and we'll confirm the sale order. Now here you can see 5 deliveries are created, which is on the waiting another operation states. Just because this products do not contain any stock. Here you can see the purchase order is automatically created, just because we define into the third warehouse that if product may not available in warehouse 3, so supplier will purchase or buy the product into the warehouse 3. So now we'll confirm this order, purchase order, and receive the products and validate it. Here you can see the warehouse 3 stock is ready. Now we'll validate this third warehouse transfer, and here you can see the warehouse 2 stock is already ready, which means stock is transferred into the warehouse 2 stock. Now we'll validate this transfer And now the second warehouse is ready to be stocked into the warehouse 1. Validate. Stock is currently available into the warehouse 1. Now from warehouse 1 it will deliver to the customer, and here you can validate. So now here you can see all the deliveries are done. Now also you can create an invoice and confirm it and do register payment. Now just consider any one of the warehouse contains the product, so how it can be managed into the Odoo. So just go to the product and will update the quantity of the product, and let me choose the warehouse 2, and the on hand quantity will be 5. Okay, now here you can see we have on hand 5 quantities. Now just simply go to the sale order and we'll create one new, which is the customer will be Shibi, and we'll choose a product. Now go to the other info and we'll select a warehouse, which is warehouse 1. Now save it and confirm it. Now here you can see 3 deliveries has been created, just because we have stock into the warehouse 2, which is already in ready state. Just need to validate this. From warehouse 2 to warehouse 1, validate. Now warehouse 1 has stock and it will ready to be moved to the customer, and just validate it. So now here you can see all deliveries are done. So this is how Odoo manage Baidu resupply method in Odoo. So thank you for watching the video, and if you like the video, do comment, like and subscribe the channel.